Welcome back. In this video, we're going to dive deeper into how to take your video production to the next level with AI. In the first half, we covered the 5 main ways AI can improve your video production: enhancing video quality, automating repetitive tasks, providing video analytics, AI-powered captioning software, and AI-powered video hosting platforms. Now, let's dive deeper into each point and explore how AI can revolutionize your video production. Firstly, let's talk about enhancing video quality with AI. AI-powered tools and software can do wonders when it comes to improving the quality of your video footage. One of the most significant benefits of using AI for video enhancement is the ability to stabilize shaky footage. Camera shake can be a big problem when filming, especially when you're shooting handheld or without a tripod. AI-powered software can analyze your footage and stabilize it, creating a smoother, more professional look. Another way AI can improve video quality is by removing background noise. Background noise can be a big problem when filming in public places, outdoors, or in other noisy environments. AI can detect and remove background noise, making the audio in your videos clearer and easier to understand. Color grading is another essential aspect of video production. AI can help you to automate the process of color grading by analyzing your footage and applying the right color correction to each scene. This can save you a lot of time and effort compared to manually color grading your footage. AI can also enhance the color of your footage, making it look more vibrant and professional. AI can also help with more complex tasks like background removal, subject tracking, and motion detection. For example, you can use AI-powered software to remove unwanted objects from your footage, track the movement of a subject, and detect motion in a scene. These features can help you to create more engaging and dynamic videos that capture your audience's attention. Secondly, let's talk about automating repetitive tasks with AI. Editing is an essential part of video production, but it can be a time-consuming process. AI can help you to automate tedious tasks like color grading, video editing, and even adding subtitles. AI-powered video editing software can analyze your footage and make suggestions for edits, saving you time and effort. For example, some software can detect the best moments in your footage and create a highlight reel automatically. You can also use AI to automate the process of adding subtitles to your videos, making them more accessible to viewers with hearing impairments. Another way AI can automate repetitive tasks is by generating thumbnails for your videos. Thumbnails are an essential part of your video's marketing strategy, as they can impact whether or not viewers click to watch your video. AI-powered software can analyze your footage and generate engaging and attention-grabbing thumbnails automatically. Thirdly, let's talk about video analytics. By analyzing the data, AI can provide valuable insights into how your audience interacts with your videos. For instance, AI can tell you how many people watch your videos, how long they watch, and when they stop watching. This information can help you to optimize your videos for maximum engagement. You can use AI to segment your audience, understand their behavior patterns, and use that knowledge to make data-driven decisions. For example, you can use AI to analyze the demographics of your audience and create videos that cater to their interests and preferences. You can also use AI to analyze the performance of your videos on different platforms and adjust your marketing strategy accordingly. Fourthly, let's talk about AI-powered captioning software. Captioning is an essential aspect of video production, as it makes your videos accessible to people with hearing impairments and improves their overall quality. However, manually adding captions to your videos can be a time-consuming process. AI-powered captioning software can analyze your audio and automatically generate accurate captions for your videos. This technology uses speech recognition algorithms to transcribe the audio in your videos, and then generates captions that match the audio precisely. Some software can even detect and differentiate between different speakers in a video, making it easier to create captions for dialogue-heavy scenes. Another benefit of using AI-powered captioning software is that it can translate your captions into different languages automatically. This can be a huge advantage if you have an international audience, as it allows them to enjoy your content in their native language. Finally, let's talk about AI-powered video hosting platforms. Video hosting platforms like YouTube and Vimeo have been around for a while, but they're not the only options out there. AI-powered video hosting platforms like Webits and Lumen 5 can help you to create and host videos more efficiently. These platforms use AI to automate many aspects of video production, from video editing to captioning and distribution. They can also help you to optimize your videos for different platforms, such as social media or your website. Some platforms even offer built-in analytics tools that can provide you with valuable insights into your video's performance. In conclusion, AI can be a game changer when it comes to video production. It can help you to enhance video quality, automate repetitive tasks, provide video analytics, create accurate captions, and even revolutionize the way you host and distribute your videos. By incorporating AI into your video production workflow, you can save time and effort, improve the quality of your videos, and increase engagement with your audience. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.